Our friends will come to my barn soon. Ta-da! I got the ingredients ready, so we can cook yummy food for our friends.
Do you like to cook?
Great!
Yeah! Let's help Benny and cook yummy food before our friends get here. Benny, what kind of food are we cooking today?
Today, I will make 3 dishes. Yummy salad that makes you healthy. Green vegetables and fresh fruits with sauce on top.
Salad.
Pie with lots of sweet fruits.
Pie.
Wiggly noodles with fresh vegetables and tomato sauce on top.
Spaghetti.
Yeah!
Wow! It sounds very yummy! I want to make it quick! Ooh, ah.
What do we make first?
Salad!
All right, let's make fresh salad first.
Will you help us make the salad? Great!
To make a healthy salad, we have to put vegetables and fruits evenly. First, put the green vegetables in the bowl.
Finished putting in the vegetables. Now, put the fruits in the bowl. Wow!
Lastly, pour the sauce you want.
We made a fresh salad! Hooray! We made a salad! Wow, it's very colorful. It looks fresh and yummy. I think our friends will love it!
We made it well! Now, what do we make? Pie or spaghetti?
Pie! I want to make a pie with lots of sweet fruits.
I got the fruits ready, so they will taste sweeter.
Wow! You're the best, Benny! Now, let's make it fast! Quick! Please help us make a sweet pie.
First, we have to choose the pie shape.
What shape of dough do you like?
Now, we have to put the sweet fruits to go in the pie.
Put in the fruits you want.
Lastly, we have to decorate the top part of the pie.
Will you make the top part of the pie? Wow! The pie is baked! Yay!
It's finished!
Wow! It smells really sweet!
It looks great! We made a sweet pie!
Now, we will make some spaghetti with wiggly noodles, full of vegetables and tomato sauce. I'm very excited! Yeah! Benny's the best chef ever! Benny the chef!
Oh, you guys! Trust me on the spaghetti, too! I already have the wiggly noodles boiled and ready!
Spaghetti! Guys, our friends are going to get here soon. Let's make it quick! Hurry! Will you help us make the spaghetti? All right!
First, put the ingredients and fry them with the noodles.
What ingredients do we put? Yeah, great!
Move the frying pan so the vegetables will mix well. Like this. Now, it's the most important ingredient, tomato sauce.
Will you pour the tomato sauce on the noodles?
We finished the wiggly spaghetti!
Fresh vegetables and yummy tomato sauce! Benny's spaghetti is finished.
Great job, you guys!
Benny, you're a great chef. And you cook very well, too.
Really? I'm happy that you guys are happy.
We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping.
Oh, our friends are here.
Who's here? Itza? Chico?
Yummy!